Hello students, welcome to science class. I am your teacher Mrs. Ruxana Michael and today our topic is kidney and excretion. It is part 1 and it is given on page number 10 to 12. As our topic is kidneys and excretion. So first of all we see what is excretion. So excretion, the removal of waste material produced in the cells of the living organism is called excretion. It is a removal of waste material, and waste material, where they come from the different metabolic activities in the body of living organisms. ये उनके डिफरेंट बॉडी एक्टिविटीज के बाद जो वेस्ट मटेरियल बनते हैं उनके गेट रिड करने से, उनके बॉडी में से निकलने को एक्सक्रीशन कहा जाता है. ओके, नाउ वी विल सी द वेरियस मटेरियल्स ऑफ ह्यूमन बॉडी. that waste materials, these are waste material and how they work. So first of all we will talk about carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide, it excretes by respiration. By respiration, when we breathe in we get oxygen, and when we breathe out carbon dioxide goes out from the body. So when cells respire to produce energy, carbon dioxide also form. So this carbon dioxide, if it is in the body, it was very harmful for the body. So it means it is necessary to get rid of this carbon dioxide, and the process is called respiration, and by respiration carbon dioxide excretes. Now we will see that the other one, undigested food, and it excretes by defecation. What is this defecation? Defecation is the removal of undigested food from the body. You know that we eat food, and after eating digestion starts, or our digestive system works, and this digestive system, it also, you can say, all the parts, they become very smaller and they absorb in the blood. But some parts, solid parts, they indigestible, and these food particles, these are cannot you can say absorb in the intestine. So it means these have to go out from the body, and these waste particles, or you can say these indigestible parts, they remove from the body, and that process is called defecation, and in the form of feces it goes out from the body. हमारी बॉडी में से, यानी कि जब डाइजेशन होता है तो कुछ जो हैं वो रह जाते हैं डाइजेस्ट होने से, तो वो जो इनडाइजेस्टिबल पार्ट्स हैं उनसे भी हमारी बॉडी को जो है हार्म हो सकता है, खतरा हो सकता है अगर वो बॉडी के अंदर ही रह जाएं. तो ये जो अनडाइजेस्टेड फूड है इसको जो है एक्सक्रीट होना लाजमी है, और ये जो है ये रेक्टम के थ्रू जो है बॉडी से बाहर जाता है, एंड दैट प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड defecation. Okay, now come to urea, salts, water. ठीक है. एंड यूरिया सॉल्ट्स वाटर दे फॉर्म स्वेट एंड यूरिन. ये क्या बनाते हैं? ये बनाते हैं स्वेट एंड यूरिन. And these parts or these substances, they excrete by kidneys, liver and skin. So first of all we see that by kidney. So kidneys remove urea salt water in the form of urine. And urine, this is the kidney, and this kidney remove urea salts and water in the form of urine. Okay, now we see here that this is skin, part of skin, and this part of skin also, it functions as an excretory organ. It is also function as excretory organ. ये भी excretory organ के तौर पर काम करती है, यानी कि ये भी कुछ excrete करती है. तो क्या? Water, urea and salts, or we can say sweat. These all are called sweat. So they are secreted from some capillaries, blood capillaries under the skin. Skin के नीचे कुछ blood capillaries का network होता है. And there are also sweat glands present, and these sweat glands, they collect sweats from the capillaries, and after this in the form of sweat comes out. हमारी बॉडी में छोटे छोटे पोर्स होते हैं स्किन के ऊपर, और उन स्किन के पोर्स में से ये स्वेट बाहर आ जाता है, और the sweat evaporates and it also cool the body. बॉडी को स्वेट जो है ठंडक देता है, एंड इट इवेपोरेट्स, बट यूरिया एंड सॉल्ट दे लीव हेयर ऑन द स्किन. वो स्किन पे छोड़ जाता है, रह जाते हैं, और उसके अंदर से जो वाटर वेपर्स हैं वो निकल जाते हैं. राइट. सो व्हाट आर द ऑर्गन्स विच आर used in excretion? Number 1, lungs. Number 2, kidney. Number 3, skin. Number 4, intestine or rectum. And number 5 is liver. So how it functions as a excretory organ? So the body cannot store excess protein. We eat meat and other pulses, they all contain proteins. So these are broken down in the liver. These proteins broken down in the liver and convert into urea. ये किस में convert हो जाते हैं प्रोटीन? यूरिया में, which is harmful. And this urea is carried to the kidneys by the blood. Who carried? Blood. इसको कौन लेके जाता है किडनीज तक? ब्लड. कहाँ से लेके जाता है? लीवर से. ये यूरिया जो है, यूरिया कहाँ से आता है? यूरिया जो है ये आता है जो है लीवर में. लीवर में जो है इसको कन्वर्ट किया जाता है प्रोटीन्स को यूरिया में. सो दिस यूरिया is carried to kidneys by blood. From there it is excreted together with waste water as urine. इसको जो है यूरिन की फॉर्म में निकाल दिया जाता है. So we also discussed the function of liver. Okay students, now we will see what is the importance of excretion. Why excretion is important for us? Excretion हमारे लिए क्यों important है, हमारी बॉडी के लिए क्यों important है? So we can see here that all the body cells perform different functions. हमारी बॉडी के जो different cells हैं वो function perform करते हैं. respiration होता है and all these functions and produce some toxic substances, urea also. So if excretion does not take place, then all the toxic or waste substances would remain in the body for a long time. So they get mixed with blood and can damage the cells of the body and can cause serious health issues or sometimes fatal death. So it is necessary to remove such poisonous waste material from our body. If we see in every living cells, हर living cells में of every organism, a number of chemical reactions are going on continuously. हर वक्त बॉडी के अंदर जो है केमिकल रिएक्शंस होते रहते हैं which produce useful or harmful both substances, and these harmful substances are called waste products. So they can damage the cell. So these substances must be removed from the body, and the process that remove these harmful substances is called excretion. उसको हम excretion कहते हैं. Understood? Now come to water in the human body. Water is, you know, it is necessary for the human body, or you can say all the living organisms. Water is very important. Water is, you can say, water is vital for each and every living organism or living thing. Water बहुत ज़रूरी है. Right? So here we see main functions of water in the human body. And before this we see in our body 70% our body is made up of water. 70% जो है हमारी बॉडी में water है. Okay? So if we see the function of water in human body, so first of all we see cell life. It is important for cell life. The cell need water to work properly. If there is no water need that we need water, it is not up to the need. What happened? These cells they shrink. Cell जो हैं वो shrink हो जाएंगे. They do not work properly. वो अपना काम अच्छी तरह से नहीं कर सकेंगे. और जब सेल जो है वर्क नहीं करेंगे तो हमारी बॉडी जो है वो काम नहीं करेगी और उसके काम छूट जाएंगे, छोड़ दिए जाएंगे, वो काम नहीं कर सकेगी. So we can say that our body, if we eat something, so we can live for some weeks without food, but only for a few days without water. We survive few days without water, right? So second is transport. So water is needed to carry dissolved substances throughout the body. Means, you know, that if there is no water in the body, how can that food which absorb in the intestine travel to the whole parts of the body, or you can say each and every cell? अगर हम पानी हमारी बॉडी में नहीं होगा तो वो किस तरह से वो जो है उसके अंदर ट्रेवल करेंगे, बॉडी के अंदर वो जो फूड जो एब्जॉर्ब हुआ है वो किस तरह से ट्रेवल करेगा. एंड यू नो दैट ब्लड ऑल्सो कंटेन वाटर. ब्लड में भी एक बड़ा पार्ट जो है वो वाटर का है, और जब तक ये वाटर जो है, ये ब्लड जो है, इसके अंदर वाटर नहीं होगा, इट कैन नॉट ट्रेवल द ऑक्सीजन और फूड सब्सटेंसेस विच डिजॉल्व इन इट, ब्लड में. तो इसलिए ज़रूरी है कि एक ख़ास पानी की जो है मिकदार हमारी बॉडी के अंदर हो. नाउ अदर फंक्शन ऑफ वाटर इज chemical reactions. So in our body chemical reaction they need water. केमिकल रिएक्शन जब तक नहीं होगा जब तक कि हमारे जो है बॉडी में पानी या वाटर का एक अमाउंट सर्टेन अमाउंट नहीं होगा, राइट. सो वो जो है क्या करेगा, वो क्या करेगा कि केमिकल रिएक्शंस जो हैं उनके लिए ज़रूरी है कि उनके अंदर वाटर हो, और वो वाटर जो है वो किस तरह से, ब्लड को भी चाहिए, और साथ ही साथ ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर डाइजेस्टिव जूसेस. देयर आर सम डाइजेस्टिव जूसेस एंड दे ऑल्सो helpful in the chemical reactions. So these chemical reactions they need water. Other function is temperature regulation. Water also helps us to regulate the body temperature. As I said before that one function of skin is to cool the body. Skin का काम है कि वो body को cool करे. How? By the evaporation of water vapors from the capillaries. उसमें से जब water vapors जाएंगे and they also carry some heat of our body, right? So वो जो है, जो हमारे बॉडी में जो स्वेट होता है, आपने देखा होगा कि जब हम पंखे के नीचे बैठते हैं, फैन के नीचे, तो हमारे जो है बॉडी को कूलिंग इफेक्ट आता है. Why this cooling effect? Because these water vapors they also get some amount of heat and they carry with them and we feel cool. हमें ठंडक का एहसास होता है. Now waste excretion. Waste water flushes out toxic and waste products. All the toxin substance and waste product they go with the help of water. If water is not there in, it means they cannot go out from the body. So in the form of urine, these waste products they go out from the body. Okay. Now we will see water balance in the human body. तो किस तरह से जो है ह्यूमन बॉडी जो है वो वाटर को बैलेंस करती है. So we will see here our body continually losing and replacing water. हमारी बॉडी में आपको पता है हम continually losing, पानी को जो लूज कर रहे हैं, और इसके साथ ही we replace water. और वो कैसे है, वो हम जो उसको पानी को पीते हैं, तो इसका मतलब है we replace the water. जो हमारा बॉडी में से जो हमारी वाटर लूज हो गया है पानी पीने से, वो गेन हो जाता है. So the amount of water takes into our body is equal to amount it loses. जितना पानी हमारे अंदर जाता है उतना ही पानी जो है वो हम यूज करने के बाद जो है उतना ही हम उसे लूज करते हैं, और उतना ही वो हमारे पास आना चाहिए या आता है. इट इज अ यू कैन से बैलेंस, वाटर बैलेंस. So you can see this diagram, and it is about the amount of water takes into our body is equal to the amount it loses. अब हम देखते हैं कि इसमें किस तरह से काम हो रहा है. This is we take and this is we lose. So drinking water 1500 ml. हम कितना पानी पीते हैं? 1500 ml. Okay, 1.5 liter. So they are saying in urine 1400 ml or 1400 cm cube it loses, right? जितना हमने 1500 पिया 1400 जो है वो लूज हो गया. इन फूड 800 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब हमने जो है वो फूड के जरिए हासिल किया. एंड इन स्वेटिंग 950 cm cube it loses. Using a food in the body, that food we are using in the body, for the body, 300 cm cube, and when we breathe out in the air, breathe it out 250 cm cube. So 250, 100, 250 cm cube, this goes out. So if we see that if we add all these numbers, we will get 2600 cm cube, 2600 cm cube or ml. And if we see the loss, it is also 2600 or 2600 cm cube. So it is equal. So the amount of water takes in our body, it is equal to the amount it loses. So it is necessary to drink water. Now come to next slide. It is about kidneys. So what are kidneys? Kidney is an organ that filter out unwanted substances and pass them out in the form of urine. All the unwanted substances, or you can say waste material, they mix with water and they pass out from the body in the form of urine, right? So kidneys are the organs which do these functions. So they also filter the blood through their filtering units. There are little units, small units present in the kidneys, and these units are called nephrons. So these nephrons are present there to filter the blood. Now we see some characteristics of the kidney. That first of all we see the location. So where it is present? On the either side of the spine, under the lower ribs. So it is present, it is situated just under our ribs in our backbone, okay, or vertebrate we can say. So each kidney is about, if we see, first of all we see the shape. You can see the shape, it is resembled to the bean. It is bean shaped. So shape is like bean, red beans. Now what is the color of the kidney? You can see that the color of kidney is reddish brown. So it is reddish brown. What is the weight of the kidney? Its weight is about 140 gram. And if we see the length, so its length is 11.5 centimeter, right? And if we see the weight, its weight is 6 centimeter and its thickness is 3.5 centimeter. So these are the some characteristics of kidney. Now we see the internal structure. This is the external structure of kidney. Now we will see the internal structure of kidney. So we see here cortex. Cortex is the, you can say the upper portion of the kidney is called cortex. ये जो इस तरह का हिस्सा आपको साइड में जो नजर आ रहा है, and I mentioned it by green arrow. So this is called cortex. After this we will see it also need blood. So we have one artery, and that artery is called renal artery, and it is in red color. Now come to blue one, and this blue one is renal vein. It is called renal vein. We will discuss it later in the part 2, its structure and its function, also how kidney works. So we will do in the next part. Now come to medulla. Medulla is the, I have mentioned here with the green arrow. So this part is called medulla. Now come to ureter. This yellow and very, you can say, broad, you can say pipe, or you can say the tube. So that is called ureter. It is called ureter. Now the part which is lying here outside, that part is called capsule, right? So this is the internal structure of kidney. Okay. Now come to our next slide, and this slide is about home assignment, your homework. So first question is define excretion and defecation. Number 2, name the various waste materials of human body and how they excrete. Number 3, write down function of water in the human body. You can also take help from your book. You can take the help from your book for these answers. Okay. Now last question is draw a label diagram of internal structure of kidney, which is given on page number 12. There are 2 diagrams but not external. You have to draw internal structure of kidney. Okay students, and now you do this work in your science notebook, science copy. Okay, you have to do there, not in foolscap sheet. You do in your notebook, right? And after doing, you have to submit on Monday by your parents. Okay, once again I will say, stay home, stay safe, wear mask. Okay, thank you very much.